It is sentencing day for former Orange County Judge Jeffrey Ferguson, who was found guilty in the murder of his wife back in April. Relatives making emotional statements in court today. Eyewitness News reporter Sid Garcia is live at the courthouse in Santa Ana with the breaking details. Sid?
35 years to life. That's what the judge received from another judge from LA County. Behind me, the picture of his late wife, 65-year-old Cheryl Ferguson, who was shot and killed in their Orange County home just over 2 years ago. Take a look. This is the former judge, Jeff Ferguson, sitting in jail attire, listening to the victim impact statements. The judge ordered that the camera not show the faces of those who spoke. Cheryl's brother spoke, and so did his son. And they all talked about how they believe strongly that this was an accident, not an intentional murder. The first person you're going to hear from is the judge himself, Judge Ferguson.
There's nothing I know I can ever say or do that will repair for Kevin, my son, this family tragedy. Cheryl had a great and generous heart. And I do want to say to them, my sons and her brothers, I wish God had taken me instead.
All this time, through everything, I cannot draw any other conclusion than that my mother's death had been accidental. If I harbored any doubts of this in my mind, I could not stand to look my father in the eye, nor to hug him, nor to even call him my father. But he is my father. And he is a man who has, at minimum, tried to do his very best to be a great dad, a loving husband, and a model citizen.
To Jeff, I want to say I do forgive you. I know in my heart, and there's nothing that anyone's going to say that's going to change my opinion. I know in my heart you didn't intend to kill my sister. I know that. I know that this was a tragic accident. It was probably a stupid decision to have the gun out when it was.
But the judge sentenced him to nearly the maximum. Judge Ferguson was facing 40 years to life. The judge today sentencing him to 35 years to life. Orange County District Attorney Todd Spitzer saying he could be eligible in 20 years. The judge will turn 75 at the end of this month. He'd be eligible for parole when he's 95, but it was pointed out in court. The judge is 74 right now and dealing with some health issues, so this would probably be, according to the lawyers and the judge, a life sentence for the former judge, Jeff Ferguson. Reporting live from the Santa Ana courthouse, I'm Sid Garcia, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.